Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to Vanuatu. In this video, we will be exploring 3 different islands. Last night we flew into Port Vila and we're currently staying here at Erakor Island Resort. Be here for 2 nights and next up we'll be flying from Port Vila up to Espiritu Santo Island and staying at the Berry Beach Resort, which is very well known for its beaches and snorkeling, so looking forward to that. And lastly, we'll be flying back to Port Vila to stay at the Iririki Island Resort and yeah, let's jump right in. After breakfast, did a bit of snorkeling in the lagoon and yeah, saw quite a few fish and a sea snake as well. Had a late lunch and now we're just walking around the island. Found this really beautiful, secluded beach. Nobody's around either, so yeah, got the whole thing to ourselves. Alright, it's our last day here on Erakor Island. It actually rained a lot overnight. Still cloudy today. So yeah, hoping it clears up. We're about to head over to breakfast and flying out this afternoon to head up to Santo Island. Well, after a bit of transit, we finally made it over to the Berry Beach Resort. There's the common area and restaurant, and we're staying right there. So beautiful view of the beach. It's a bit windy, but yeah, hoping it clears up tomorrow. Well, I just realized I forgot to do a walkthrough of our last hotel room. So here is our new spot for the next 2 nights here at the Berry Beach Resort. we just got back from our snorkeling trip this morning. Bill picked us up right here at the resort and took us out, kind of like a 20-minute boat ride out, and wow, really, really good visibility and saw a ton of fish as well. On the way back, they stopped this other area near a reef, and we actually got to see some wild dugong and some sea turtles. So yeah, we just got back here to the resort, gonna do a quick snorkel here, check out what's here, then grab a quick lunch before our afternoon adventure. After lunch, decided to book a quick afternoon excursion. Currently up here at the Paradise Lagoon, and yeah, actually we're able to snorkel out to a sunken American warplane from World War II. Back during World War II, there were around 50,000 American troops stationed here on Santo Island, which I believe outnumbered the local population. So interesting fact there for you. So yeah, next we're currently kayaking up to the Vila Blue Hole. Already after about 30 minutes or so of kayaking, we've made it to the Vila Blue Hole. It's our last day here on Santo Island, Berry Beach Resort. Unfortunately, the sun is not coming out today, it doesn't look like it. So we're about to take this kayak out, explore the water a bit. Thankfully got a late checkout, which is nice. So we're gonna have lunch here at the resort before heading over to the airport for our 4 o'clock flight. Made it back to Port Vila and are currently on the ferry across to Iririki Island. We're going to be here the next 2 nights. Well, last night we arrived a bit late, so I didn't have a chance to do a video walkthrough of our accommodation. So here we are. Nice spacious room. It's nice, there's access with a balcony here as well. Got a beautiful view